What if I told you that improving your spoken English could be the key to unlocking a world of confidence, new friendships, and even better job opportunities? Yes, that's right. Spoken English isn't just a language skill. It's a confidence booster, a connection builder, and an opportunity opener. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll understand why it's time to take your English skills seriously. Ready? Let's dive in. Let's imagine you're in a room with people from different backgrounds, all trying to make their dreams come true. Some of them seem to have it all together. They're confident, expressive, and connecting with others like it's second nature. And they're doing it all in English. Now, don't you feel a hint of desire to be like them? Well, the reality is, spoken English is what bridges the gap for many people. Think of spoken English as the secret ingredient to success, especially in a diverse place like India. Whether it's making friends with someone from another city or impressing your potential employer in an interview, being able to speak English confidently just opens up so many possibilities. Love that idea? Great, because it gets better. Wait, let me pause for a second. How often do you think to yourself, do I really need English to succeed? Think about it, because in a moment, we'll get to the why behind that. Alright, so let's start with a simple truth: opportunity. Imagine they're a young guy. Let's call him Amit. He's just like many of us. Born in a small town, went to a local school, and had big dreams. But English? That was just another subject in school, something he barely thought he'd need. Now, one day, Amit hears about this amazing job opportunity in a big city, a dream job. But here's the catch: they need someone who can communicate confidently, in English. Amit's excited, but there's a shadow of doubt. He realizes that to get this opportunity, he needs to level up his spoken English. The stakes are high, right? Does Amit get the job? I'll tell you in a bit. But first, let's talk about why this story matters for all of us. Let's be real here. India is a beautifully diverse country, and English is a bridge that connects us with people from every part of it, and even beyond. Imagine being able to hold a conversation with someone from across the world, no language barrier, just pure connection. Spoken English lets you share your ideas, your personality, and your uniqueness with people who might otherwise never know the real you. It's like this: you get to open up, connect, and exchange experiences. And who knows, that one connection could lead you to your next job, your next friendship, or even your next adventure. Isn't that worth a little effort? Hey, quick question. Would you be willing to miss out on a friendship or a great opportunity because of language? I didn't think so. Now let's flip the lens a bit. How many times have you had something amazing to share, but you held back? Maybe it was a funny story, a brilliant idea, or something that could make you stand out. But you stayed silent because you weren't comfortable with the words in English. Happens, right? Spoken English is like having a tool to express yourself without limits. It lets you be seen and heard just as you are, no holding back. Think about all the things you'd say if you weren't afraid of fumbling. Imagine the freedom that could bring. Every time you share a part of yourself in English, you're letting people see the real you. And trust me, that's powerful. Which brings me back to Amit. Will he let this opportunity slip by, or will he step up to the challenge? Stick around, we're almost there. Alright, back to our friend Amit. Faced with the challenge, he decides to give it a shot. He starts practicing spoken English a little each day. Sure, he makes mistakes, but he pushes through. And when the interview day arrives, Amit doesn't have perfect English, but he's confident enough to communicate. And guess what? He gets the job. Amit's story isn't just about English. It's about growth and confidence. Every new word he learned, every sentence he spoke, brought him closer to his dream. Confidence isn't just about speaking perfectly. It's about being brave enough to start. Spoken English is like learning to swim, awkward at first, but it becomes second nature with time. The more you practice, the more confident you get, not only in English, but in other parts of life too. Soon, you'll see that your ability to communicate in English fuels your self-belief and courage to face any challenge that comes your way. Think of it like this: every word you speak is a stepping stone. So, what's stopping you from taking that first step? So now you know, spoken English isn't just about grammar or vocabulary. It's a gateway to opportunity, to self-expression, to confidence. Whether you want to land your dream job, connect with new people, or simply feel more at ease in the world, spoken English can help you get there. The best part? You don't need to start big. Just like Amit, take small steps. Practice every day. Celebrate each sentence. And don't let the fear of mistakes hold you back. Remember, the only real mistake is not trying. Now, if you're ready to take your English skills to the next level, I've got the perfect video for you. Click here to dive into basic grammar and structure. Because strong foundations make for strong speakers. Trust me, it's a game changer. So hit that link and let's continue this journey together. Remember to like, subscribe, and keep pushing toward a confident English speaking future. See you there.